Hello guys, what's up? My name is Sydney. If you're new here, I'm also new. I have always done reset videos on TikTok and Instagram, and I thought, why not translate that over into YouTube? Clara Pierce, I'm sure if you're watching a reset video, you have seen the one and only Clara Pierce on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. She's amazing. She's inspired me, so I'm also gonna give YouTube a shot, and I thought what better way to start on YouTube than my favorite thing to do on TikTok is Sunday reset videos. My apartment's messy. It's kind of a little nerve-wracking putting your apartment and the mess on, you know, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. You kind of can edit what you want, really, but you guys are gonna see the full thing. So it's a mess. I'm sure you can tell in the background. I'm a messy girl at heart, okay? But we're trying to keep clean, stay clean. Falling off the bandwagon just a little bit. But yeah, let's get into it. Folding skills are not the best, but it's just gonna be tucked away, so I like. I don't really know where to put this chair because there's like no path to get it to the couch. Like there's no flow. I don't really know what to do. There's one part of the kitchen that I just like don't know what to do with. I feel like we have so many appliances, it just looks chaotic and messy, and to me, when there's just stuff everywhere all the time, it just feels dirty. This cute Crate and Barrel like cake stand one of my friends got me for our wedding. Love it. I want to display it. I have like a million cutting boards. I also don't know what to do with. I need to clean out like my cabinet space because this is just getting ridiculous. Please work. It closes. That's all I need. I'm not even gonna lie, this is where things get messy. This is like the first thing we have when we walk in the door to set our stuff down on. I have a closet, but it's like full. So that's another story for another day. It's just too convenient to drop all of our stuff here. It just gets dirty, messy, and this is real life, okay? Let's clean this up. Can't wait. So I'm just gonna spray everything down, wipe it off, do the dishes, and the island will be finished. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm gonna do the sink and the dishwasher. I can't remember if I have anything in here. Yes, and it's clean. So I'm gonna pick this up, put it up, and then load it again. Barkeeper's Friend soft cleanser. Drop a little bit into the sink, scrub away, rinse it all off. Yummy. Normally I would do this last and get everything out of the apartment, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put this outside. We're supposed to only have one bag, but sometimes they're nice to take 2 bags if you put it out there nicely, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take it and hope for the best. Okay, my goal is going to be figure out where to put these sunglasses, put something cute down there, and rearrange all of this. Hair stuff. I'll put this. Sure. Okay, normally on Sunday I would wash our sheets and make the bed up, but we came home last night, or yesterday afternoon, so I washed all of the bedding yesterday to have fresh sheets then. So I'm not gonna do that. Also, I know this looks so weird. I can't figure out a way to make this bed the way I like it. I've reversed those two and I still hate it. So we're just gonna have to work with this. I desperately need to clean the floors, and by clean, what is the lighting doing? I need to vacuum dust, and all of this needs to put up. This is the pile of clothes that I've been neglecting. So when I was cleaning, I put this mirror flush on this wall, and I kind of think I like it better than catty cornered right here, only because I don't think I would make such a mess down here with piles of clothes. So I don't know. It's also like flush on the wall with the TV, which I kind of hate. No, I kind of hate this. Never mind. This is my favorite time of the day because the sun hits this little disco ball, and I have a little disco ball moment in here.